If you're ever wondering how you can identify different coins based on their category, for example, AI coins, gaming coins, real world assets, or if you want to find a group of coins that run on a specific blockchain because maybe one specific blockchain and their tokens are becoming very expensive to transact on, this is the video for you. Yes, that's right. This is another video showing you about CoinGecko. This is a free website. It's not sponsored. It is my first stop in beginning to research cryptocurrencies. And I'm making these videos in an effort to show you guys how to become more intuitive, educated investors and to have some independence on finding information on your own. CoinGecko.com is an excellent place to start. So, like I said, you can go to the first page here, CoinGecko.com, scroll down. You might notice there's some categories here at the top. We have highlights, which you can click on. It shows things like trending coins, top gainers, so the coins that have performed very well in the past 24 hours, top losers. Maybe the top gainers could be a reminder for you to take some profits. Maybe the top losers, if these are coins you've already researched and you have had your eye on and they're dipping, maybe you can use that dip to accumulate more if that is your decision. Also, new coins, most viewed. So the coins that a lot of people are searching for on CoinGecko. Highest volume, so that if you want to purchase these coins, you won't experience a lot of slippage if you're using a decentralized exchange. Also here, you can go to the chains tab. And for example, it just gives you some information on which coins run on different blockchains. You can use this information for a broader perspective where you can see, for example, Ethereum has a total 24-hour volume happening for Ethereum tokens is $2 billion. And the dominance here in terms of layer one blockchains that have tokens, Ethereum has 61% dominance, and they have almost 5,000 tokens on their blockchain. Now you can compare that to the next one up here would be BNB and Solana. Solana only has 795 coins, so maybe that's where there's some lacking between these two. But again, if you want to judge the health of a particular blockchain, see what kind of activity is actually being built on them, this could be an excellent place to start. And now we can also move to the categories tab. And here is where you find, okay, you're on crypto Twitter and everyone is talking about AI coins. That's real life. We can go ahead and scroll down and find them here. Number 23, artificial intelligence, AI. And these are listed in order according to market cap of like the entire basket of that type of coin. So layer one is obviously most valuable at this point. The most amount of money has been invested in layer ones. Next up is the smart contract platforms. But again, let's go to AI here. And here we have a list of coins that have something to do with AI in some form or another. And again, they're listed in terms of market cap. For those of you who are in the CT Club, you guys should know or have, if you've been subscribed for at least a couple months, you should have picked up that Toby really emphasizes looking at market cap rather than just the price, and market cap in conjunction with the total supply of coins. The market cap really tells you how much more room there is to grow for the coin that you're looking at. Even though the price might be much cheaper, it doesn't mean that it is actually having a lot more to grow. Perfect example here is Render and BitTensor. Render is $11. BitTensor is $676. And the market caps here are very, very similar. Right off the bat, that should tell you that Render has a much larger token supply than BitTensor. Similarly, Fetch is $2.50 and it has half the market cap of BitTensor. So this is just an example of how you can use CoinGecko to further your research and analyzing things like tokenomics before you make a decision to invest in a cryptocurrency. It's an amazing way for you to start your research for if you want to get into a different type of basket of cryptocurrencies. This is awesome. And if you guys caught my video yesterday or the day before talking about dog whiff hat, there's also a dog themed coins basket of cryptocurrencies, which actually is has a higher market cap than AI coins. That should say a lot about what is happening in this cryptocurrency space. And Dog with Hat is the third one listed. Interesting. I hope that you found this video to be informative. If you did, I really appreciate it if you share this out to help other people become educated and intuitive cryptocurrency investors as well. Let's build this free market to facilitate a better future for cryptocurrencies, and doing your own research is an excellent way to start this. So thank you for watching. Hit like and subscribe. I certainly appreciate it. I'll see you later.